Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make the best pecan chocolate chip sourdough muffins. There's also gonna be some brown butter in there. It's a mouthful, and these muffins are gonna be a mouthful, but you're gonna love them. So for dry ingredients, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's what I already have here in this bowl. And then we're gonna take 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. And then we will need 1 teaspoon of salt. And then a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're just gonna get this a little mix so that everything's incorporated. And then we'll add this to our wet ingredients. So we're gonna get started. I have a half a cup of brown butter already browned and cooled. And then we're gonna take a half cup of sourdough. Gonna add it in here. Then we're gonna add in a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of milk, a tablespoon of vanilla, and 3/4 cups of sour cream. So I'm just gonna get a light mix on this right now before I incorporate the eggs, just to get all this stuff mixed up first. So I got my hand beater. So now that we got all this mixed in together, we're gonna take our eggs one at a time, crack it in a separate container, make sure we don't get any shells in our mixture. Add in our second. And then another mix. So now it's time to add in our dry mixture to our wet mixture. I'm gonna put in about half of it at first. Just get a light little mix on it to incorporate everything. And now add in the rest. So I'm gonna stop right there. There still is some unmixed in flour right now, but you don't want to over mix these because you don't want these to be tough muffins. So now I'm just gonna take in and add in the rest of my dry ingredients. I have a half cup of chopped pecans, pecans, however you want to say it, depending on where you're from. Then I have my 10 ounces of chocolate chips that I'm adding in. And I'm gonna use my rubber spatula to fully do the rest of the mixture. Just kind of slightly fix and fold, or scoop and fold. So now I just got my ice cream scoop out. Here I just have some warm water just to dip in between scooping out the batter just so it doesn't always stick to it. So just gonna stick it in here real quick. 1 scoop, and just place it into the muffin tin. And we're just gonna repeat this process until we are done. So when it comes to baking, I left one of these muffin tins empty, and I left it empty on purpose because I am going to add in a little bit of water into that one. By adding that water into that one pan will create a little bit more steam inside the oven when it's baking, which will allow these muffins to have a little bit more moisture. And then I'm gonna top these muffins with a little bit of sourdough streusel topping. So in here I just have some butter, oats, flour, and a little bit of brown sugar that's been all crumbled together. So I'm just gonna add a little pinch to the top of all these. Now that I got the streusel topping on all these, I'm gonna add that water to my 1 muffin tin. Then we're gonna go into the oven at 425 for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna finish it at 350 for 18 minutes. So we're gonna call these the mouthful muffins because this is a brown butter, sourdough, pecan, chocolate chip topped with a sourdough streusel topping. It's a mouthful just to say, but I'm gonna show you how good they taste. They're real pretty. Look at all that cocoa in the middle. I know I say this all the time about my sourdough desserts, and this is the thing that I really do love about sourdough desserts. It's not overly sweet. And then I use cocoa instead of milk chocolate chips, so it has more of that dark, bitter, dark chocolate in there. You won't feel bad even with how much chocolate is in this. You're gonna love this.